Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this MEDUSA Halloween look. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. For foundation, I'm going to be using Jouer's Essential High Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Macchiato. And I'm just going to be taking my beauty blender and applying this all over my face. Next up is concealer, and I'm going to be using Jouer's Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade Honey. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to go ahead and highlight my face with it as well. Now I'm just going to go back in with the beauty blender and blend all of this out. To set my face, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just going to be applying this all over the face and even the neck area. Like, you need powder. You need to set your face for this look. Next, I'm taking BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to be going into this matte green shade right here. And I'm going to be applying this all over the crease and the outer V, and I am going to extend that out like past the brow. Like, this is going on the temples. Like, we're just dragging this all out. Now I'm going to be taking BeBella's B35D palette, and I'm just going to go into this deep matte green shade right here, and we are literally going to apply this color exactly where we applied the previous shade, but we're just going to use this to intensify that and make it pop even more. Next, I'm going to be taking this matte black shade, and I'm taking that on a flat brush. I'm just going to be applying that all over the lid, and I am going to blend it up towards the crease a little bit, but I'm not going to cover that green shade that we applied previously. And I'm also going to be dragging this on the lower lash line just to intensify it and make this very like a dark green smoky eye. Next, it's time for eyeliner. Today I'm going to be taking Tarte's Sex Kitten, and I'm going to be creating this super dramatic wing. Like, I'm telling you, this wing is one of the thickest wings I have ever done on myself. But we just want this to be super, super sharp and super long. Like, it's literally about to touch my eyebrow, but it's fine. It's fine. Next, it's time for my favorite part. I'm just going to be taking this fishnet and literally just stuffing my face in it. And I'm going to be going back into that BH palette and going into that green shade. And we're just going to be creating the reptile skin. I'm just going to go on the temples, and also I'm going to kind of contour and highlight with this, if that makes any sense. I just wanted to go like on the side of the face. Now I'm going back into that BeBella palette and that matte green shade, and we're just going to apply this exactly where we applied the previous shade, but this is just going to make it a little bit darker and intensify it. Next, I'm going back into that matte black shade, and I'm just going to be applying this exactly where we applied the last two colors, but I'm not going to go as intense with this one. I just wanted to darken it up a little bit, but I don't want it to look black. I want the green to still show, so I'm just going over it very, very lightly. Next, I'm going in with some highlight, and I'm just taking Wet n Wild's Midnight Moon highlighting bar. I'm literally going to apply this exactly where we applied the last few colors, and this is just going to make it shine and glow. I'm adding more and more highlight to the high points of the face because I do want that to just stand out the most. As in any makeup look, that's where we would apply highlighter, so I do want those areas to just be extra, extra highlighted. And there we go. Now we have Reptile skin. Now it's just time to finish up the eyes. I'm going to be taking Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to be applying that to my top and bottom lashes. To add more drama to this look, I'm just going to be going in with Lilly Lashes Mykonos. It's finally time for lipstick, and I'm just going to take LA Splash Kamado. Next, I'm just going to be creating a little bit more of that Reptile skin. I'm going to be creating it on the lips and also on the neck area, just to give this look a little bit more drama. Now we're just going to go in with a little bit of blood. For that, I'm going to take Ben 9 Stage Blood, and I'm just going to be applying this on the side of the lips just to make it look more dramatic. Next, I'm just adding a little bit of that Wet n Wild highlighter to the bridge of the nose. Now I'm just adding the headpiece and we are done. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. This actually came out way better than I was expecting. But yeah, let me know in the comments what look you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys on my next video.